This time on Aliexpress I found a crazy module, and it comes in different colors, but some of them are not available because they are sold out. And what is this module you will get? And it's around $5 US. I forgot to tell you that. One PC, funny prank noise generator for parties, annoying sound effect, creative joke gadget, practical joke. I need to order it so I can see it, how it works and what is it. It says that is annoy a thing module. If you know what is that, if you don't know, I'm gonna show in this video and you will learn something new. And of course, I got it in my bubbles. Okay. Whoop. Oh, it's a self-adhesive sticker, so you can attach it somewhere. Okay. And by the way, little bit later I will show you my latest e-paper or e-ink project using this beautiful display. Okay, that will be for later. And let's see this module now. What it says in the description: all kinds of places to prank your friends, different boring sound to drive people crazy, easy to hide, small enough, it's portable, working with a coin battery, you can see that, and the time of beeping or making the sounds, it's random. Oh, that is nice. So it's a annoy a thing module or generator for sounds. We have a beeper, we have the battery, the main switch turning on. Did you hear that? And now probably should the next sound will be random from 1 to 10 minutes. This thing will be awesome for my friends. And we have a button so you can choose what sound to produce. Take a look. Cockroach. Oh. Okay. Ooh. So far I count 6. This is 7. What is this? Some kind of encrypted message maybe. 8. 9. Oh. Okay. How much are they? Oh. I don't believe you can hear that, but there is some kind of, what is this, a high frequency noise or sound? Probably you can hear it. Oh, this is the most annoying. Also this one. And yes, we are back on the first one. Okay. This is pretty crazy. So if you want to prank your friends, you need this gadget or this module. But the link where I buy this one is sold out. So I will place different but similar module of this one. As you see on the smartphone is this one. It's pretty close and it's doing the same thing. Alright, I'm gonna leave it, no, I'm gonna leave it right here, and maybe we're gonna hear it again. Now I'm gonna show you this. So for those who are watching this thing for the first time, the display is e-ink or e-paper 200 by 200 pixels, and it's driven by the beast ESP32-S3 Super Mini board. I have a full video about this guy, which is pretty powerful. And yes, Mr. Google says that it's dual-core Extensa LX7 CPU up to 240 MHz 4 megabytes of flash, 512 kilobytes of SRAM, and supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and also include 11 digital EO pins, 6 analog inputs, built-in USB-C, and 1 RGB programmable LED. And also it have a point for soldering the battery, and yes, the battery can be charged through the Type-C connector, which is super nice. And also I found out there is a temperature sensor on the CPU, so you can monitor the temperature on the CPU, which is super nice. And I am using to drive this Wi-Fi clock that I still working on the code. Sorry that I can't share right now, but when I finish I will upload the code. And it's a Wi-Fi clock. And oh, I forgot to tell you that e-ink or e-paper display, once they are programmed, it will stay like this maybe for months. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's power on, and I'm gonna wait to connect to my network router and take a look. The clock is 12:53. It will be the same. Let's see. Come on. Maybe I need to reset it. One more time. It's trying to connect to my Wi-Fi network. And take a look. Yes, 12:54, and it's changed. And what is beautiful about this Wi-Fi clock? For every 5 seconds, new segment is shown, or those are the seconds that will be displayed in circle. And I make progress. There is no refresh rate on the whole screen, just the segments that need to be shown. That is called peripheral refresh rate, I think. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. Take a look. Beautiful. As I say, the code is, I'm still working on the code. When will be fully working code, I will share it with you. And the ESP32-S3 Mini board is awesome. All the links for the products that you are seeing in this video will be in description below, so you can check it. Another thing, this thing will make crazy some people or friends. Okay. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See ya!